In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can repair augments here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to repair your augments here in Arc Raiders, what you're going to want to do is first get on the lobby, and from here go ahead and open up your inventory and find whatever augment you want to go ahead and repair. For example, let's go ahead and say I want to do this looting Mark 1 right here. Essentially, go ahead and find whatever one you want to use and press Y or triangle depending on whatever console you're on, or if you're on PC like me right now, you can just go ahead and right click it, and from here you're going to see a bunch of different options appear. Go ahead and select repair. When you select repair, you're going to see the parts that you're going to need in order to go ahead and fix this. For example, on this one specifically, I'm going to need 3 plastic parts and 3 rubber parts. If you don't have these resources, go ahead and select track resources and that'll help you a little bit easier. But whenever you do, essentially you just got to go ahead and hit repair again and you'll be good to go. You'll notice the durability is going to increase. And of course, you're probably going to end up needing to do this more than once, since repairs generally do refill about half the durability each time. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.